Hi, today I will discuss more on the vertical parking in the circuit, mistakes made by students and how to do the correction. Position your car near to the center divider white line. This is to give your car more turning radius when turning left into the lot. After positioning the car and finish all the safety check, remember to check on your right for any vehicle behind before turning full lock to the left. If you are making a left turn and realize that your car is parked too close to the left, what should you do? Move the car forward slowly and turn the steering wheel slightly to the right to avoid hitting the curb on the left. Then full lock to the left when reach your turning point. How to do the correction when your car is positioned more to the right. Stop your car, straighten your steering wheel to the right and move forward. Then full lock your steering wheel to the left. Then reverse your car until it is parallel to the parking lot. Straighten your steering wheel to the right and continue to reverse. How to do correction when your car is parked more to the left. Stop your car, straighten your steering wheel to the right and reverse slightly, then full lock to the left. Reverse the car till it's parallel to the lot, then straighten the steering wheel and continue to reverse. When coming out of the lot, what is the correction if you realize your rear left tire hit the curb? Stop your car, engage reverse gear, reverse the car till it's parallel to the parking lot without turning the steering wheel. Then straighten your steering wheel and move forward more before turning full lock to the left. Hope that you will find this information useful and please subscribe to my channel if you have not. Thanks for watching.